This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk all about WordPress, and today we are gonna see how you can include a map on your website by using Webby Maps. So this does not require any type of API to do this. So let's get started and add this plugin. So we'll go to add new option here and search for Webby Maps. And then click on install now button, and after installation you have to click on activate. So this plugin allows you to have multiple type of markers and many more settings for free. So you will see Webby Maps on your left side window. Just click on Webby Maps here. And here you have to create a new map, and after that you will get shortcode. So now give map a name like map 1. Its width and size in percentage and in pixels. So info window, you can disable it or enable it. Type of content, you can give custom HTML content also. You can add additional CSS custom class also. And here you can choose custom icon. You can upload your own icon like a flag or anything like that. So you have to get it from your computer. So I do not have any marker right now, so let's go with default icon. So this will be marker 1. I have to input the latitude and longitude, and here I will see the preview. So let's go to Google Maps and get a latitude and longitude of any point. Like for this, this is my latitude and longitude. So now after putting in the latitude and longitude, you will see the location here on the maps. You can type in the location here. So high school. You can give location address, and the direction text you can change it. Just copy this address here, and you can change the direction text to get me there. Or to see routes, and it will change here. So now let's create this map. Now you can see routes written here. After creating, you will get the shortcode. So let's copy it, and you can include this shortcode in any of the page. On my demo page, I'll include this. So here, I just have to include this shortcode that I've copied and click on update. Now if I click on preview changes, I will see the map is included here, and anyone can zoom in and zoom out by this option. And if they click on see routes, they will be directed to Google Maps and shown a location from their point. This is how simply this map works. So if you have a local offline store, you can just use this to point your store, and then anyone can click on see routes or directions to get the route to your store. Very easy to use and simple plugin for creating maps. You can delete any map here, and you can edit them also. So that's it for this video. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to Educate WordPress.